What's up, YouTube and DorkiDori fans? It's Lit at Midnight. Yeah, I got finally my bumpers from Japan. Woo! I ordered them in like November, December-ish, and it took a hot minute to get here. But I'm working with a new importer, and they are absolutely kick-ass, and I think they're great. So I've got stuff to work on over the next couple of weeks, and I decided to cut together a small video of what I did today. It wasn't a ton, it was just kind of getting things in planning. So here's the video, and like, share, and subscribe, and do all those nifty things, and I'll talk to you guys in a bit.